Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Sentra. Today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, to make sure it's started and on, which this is, and when your display's lit up, make sure you've got this powered up, which this is. And then we'll go to your settings, and then your Bluetooth here, we'll enter that again. And then make sure your Bluetooth's on. And there's a limited number of phones you can have, so you might need to replace a phone or delete a phone that's already stored. Or if not, you can just add a phone directly. So let's say we want to delete one. Just scroll to whichever phone you want to delete. So let's say we want that one. Delete. Yes, yes. So now there's at least one spot. So we'll add a phone.
Add phone. The system is searching for your phone.
So from your device,
handset, look for a Bluetooth device called My Car.
that's a Bluetooth. So I just turn it on, and then sometimes if you press and hold it, it'll pull up your pairing menu. So pair new device, and then I believe it said we're looking for My Car. So we'll wait for that to pop up. Sometimes this takes a few moments. Might have to restart the car, restart the phone a few times, but usually it works the first try. There's My Car.
Does the pin on your handset match the pin on the display?
So
Say yes or no.
yes.
Please confirm the pin matches using the
And then other check boxes if you want to sync up your
connected.
phone book and things like that. Just to make it easier for taking calls and whatnot while you're driving. But now we're all connected. So now you should be able to take phone calls, listen to music. Some newer models, you might be able to sync up maps and navigation as well. But say if you're trying to play music from your phone, if you click through these media options, you get to Bluetooth audio, that'd be for your phone. And if you're having trouble hearing it, make sure you're playing the music from your phone and that the volume's on your phone as well as on the radio. But otherwise, I hope all this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.